I'm in a client's house working on a closet today, and I wanted to show you something. You know how everyone says that step one in any like decluttering and organizing project, step one is always take everything out of the closet? There's actually something you need to do before you start taking everything out of the closet, and I'm going to show you what it is. This is the closet we're working in right here, and then it's just this narrow space, narrow hallway, short hallway leading into the bedroom. So if we start pulling everything out of the closet, we have nowhere to put it. Let me show you this. There's a lot coming out. It's a whole closet with like toiletries and first aid and things like that. Hair, makeup, nails, all that kind of thing. And then over here on the other side of the closet, we've got like bedding, sheets and towels, some miscellaneous sort of stuff all over here, right? And so all of this is going to have to come out of the closet, but here's where we have to put it, right? There's just not space there. So we have to have a plan. So my pro tip for you is before you start taking everything out of the closet, make a plan for where you are going to put the things that you're taking out so that you can start that categorizing and editing process. I know you're wondering what's going to happen with this closet and how it's going to look when we're done. So stay tuned.